Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to repost someone's Instagram story to your own story. Now, before I start with the video, I would appreciate a lot if you could subscribe to the channel. So let's go open up Instagram, and once you have opened up your Instagram, let's say that we want to use story from this person. Now all we have to do is press on the arrow button at the bottom right, and as you can see, I can send it to somebody, I can share it, copy, but as you can see, it doesn't necessarily give me the option to share the story. So if you don't have it the way I showed you, you can go to the heart, and if you see that somebody has like tagged you in a story and you want to repost that story, you can just click on it here and you will be able to post it. Or if we go to our messages and, for example, let's say that this person tagged us, you will be able to post that as your story. But if those options aren't available to you, you can always click on a story. For example, you can take a screenshot or screen record and then upload it that way. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know in the comments down below.